Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you another way to get this smoke effect in dice, and I'm showing you the effect with a different color resin because I finished pouring the bright green and realized I wasn't recording. So you're going to fill your molds all the way up with your resin, and then you're going to take a toothpick and just drip black alcohol ink on the toothpick and swirl it around in each dice. And I usually use like an up and down scooping motion, and you can add as little or as much black ink as you want. You could also just drop a drop of the black ink directly into the dice and then take your toothpick and swirl it like that, but I've had better results just doing it like this. So this color resin that I'm using, I used the moss color of the Ranger alcohol ink, but to get the neon green glowing effect, you're going to use solar color dust, or I use solar color dust, neon green fluorescent pigment, and that gives me the bright green color, and it also glows under black light. It doesn't glow in the dark. So that's how I got that, but I will show you the end result of both of these colors at the end of this video. This lighter green doesn't turn out very well because my pressure pot broke, so they didn't get to cure in the pressure pot. But the bright green ones look good, so those are at the end of the video.